Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto and welcome to this new video on Chiliz and the CHZ token. Was requested, was fairly bullish today. Overall, today was a bullish day in the markets. There were a lot of cryptos that had quite a lot of bullish momentum. Chiliz definitely being one of them. We're up about 10.5%. Volume is up towards $350 million. Which is just amazing compared to the market cap. That's great as well. There is a catch to this volume though, which we'll talk about a little bit later. But yeah, altogether very bullish. We managed to break above our main resistance level, which we were struggling with for the last couple of weeks actually. And it's a strong psychological level as well at around 15 cents. Broke above that, have already confirmed that breakout. So we'll talk about in this video, both on the fundamental side and on the technical side, whether we are able to get even higher than what we where we've gone now. Right now we're at this resistance level around 16 cents. The main question is can we get to 17 cents? And can we even maybe continue that uptrend and rally up towards 18 cents? So we'll talk about that. What you do have to know, and I'll raise the camera a little bit, that's better. What you do have to know that in about an hour after uploading, from right now it's 2 hours, no that's not correct. From right now it's an hour and 17 minutes, still in the future. From the time of uploading it's probably different. The Federal Reserve Chair, Jerome Powell, will give a speech. That's going to make the markets move, all right? It definitely will, and we will probably also see the results and the effects of that with Chiliz. But I've designed this analysis in a specific way, which actually takes that into account. All right, so we don't have to speak too much about the difficult fundamentals. I've already kind of designed, as I said, the analysis based on that, and that you can just follow it, the guidelines of this analysis, and in that way you don't have to worry too much about the press conference. Even though if you're trading other cryptos, it's definitely something you should take a look at, I think. But yeah, so before we dive into the technicals, a little bit about that catch about the volume, because that actually means a lot. And most of you know that I like Chiliz a lot. It's one of my biggest holdings at this point of time still for the long term. But this volume is not 100% reliable. What you can see is that there's quite a lot of volume coming from BYBIT, a Korean exchange, which usually, if there's relatively and proportionally quite a lot of Korean volume, there is some manipulation going on, or at least the risk increases. So that's the case now as well with Chiliz. So what I expect is, as I said, we've broken above 15 cents, which is now a strong support level because we also have the 382 VIP there. I think we'll drop down to that level between 15 cents, and ultimately, let's give us some breathing space, 14.7 cents. We're going to drop down there, we're going to find support there. If we can actually hold that support for the next 2 days, all right, so that we prove that we're strong enough to actually hold the level we've just broken above, then I think, maybe not instantly, but I do think that eventually we'll be able to break above 16 cents and get up to 17 cents, and then and then whether we can break that or not depends on the circumstances in the market at that point of time. So I'll keep you updated on that. But that's at least, I mean, there's quite a high chance that if we reach 17 cents, that we'll also be able to get to up towards 18 cents, all right? So that we will continue this bullish momentum. However, it's definitely not set in stone yet that, given the fundamentals that we have in about an hour, but also given the source of the volume from here, it's definitely not set in stone that we will hold that level between 15 cents and 14.7 cents. So as I said, what could also happen, and it all depends on that 15 cents level, is that we drop down there, find support, but that we are not able to hold it for the next 2 days, after which we will drop down to 14 cents and probably even spike down to this level at 13.5 cents. And we'll just be back at the same level as where we were, between 15 cents and 13.5 cents, looking for that bullish breakout out of 15 cents to get up towards 17 and 16 cents again. But if that happens, I'll be sure to update it again. But for now, this is my full analysis. Basically the two different scenarios I see for the future. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. But for now, take care and bye.